Hey everyone, happy St. Patrick's Day. For today's fun St. Patrick's Day themed video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a really fun St. Patrick's Day surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our St. Patrick's Day surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle so it kind of looks like a card. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making a shamrock. So let's start right over here, and all you want to do is draw a line that's just going to curve up and down like this. Then we're going to make another line that's going to curve up and down to about here. Now let's try to make this same shape over here. So we're just going to go up and down like this. Then we'll go up and down to here towards our fold. Now let's do the same thing. This time we're going to go down and then we'll come up a little bit. Then we're going to go down and then back up. And we'll just repeat those steps again. Let's go down and up. And then kind of down and up and try to line it up to here. And it's okay if it's not perfect because shamrocks are pretty hard to make. Next, let's just draw two little curved lines right here. And then we can make 1, 2, 3, and 4 curved lines in here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we have this open, we have two halves of our shamrock, the top half and the bottom half. So let's begin with the bottom half. Let's begin by bringing this line up a little bit, and we can bring this line up a little bit. Then let's just go ahead and draw a line across. Next, right up here, let's bring this line down a little bit, and we'll bring this line down a little bit. Then what I like to do is let's kind of make a curved line, kind of like a smiley face shape almost. And then right inside of here, we want to make sure we're doing this underneath the fold. Let's make a skinny oval shape. So we're just going to we'll start off with like another smile. And then we'll kind of make like a sad face shape across. That way it kind of looks like we're almost opening up our shamrock and it's kind of 3D looking. Now, right inside of here, let's make a fun little leprechaun. So let's start here, and I'll use this kind of fold for the guide. So let's begin with the eyes. I'm going to begin by making 1 and then 2 circles, trying to keep them about the same size. It's okay if they're not. Then let's go ahead and put a black dot inside each one for the pupil. Then let's make a little C shape for the nose. For the eyebrows, let's draw a line above each eye. Then we're going to go up. And then let's curve it down, almost like a triangle shape a little bit. Let's make a mouth. Let's make a nice smile. Then we're going to go down and then up here. And then a curved line for the tongue. And we can make a line across here for the teeth. Now, to make the head, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to go down and then up to here. And then let's give him a little beard. Let's make like a bumpy line that's just going to come right across and up to here. Next, let's draw a line that goes right to the eyebrow. We're going to go to the next eyebrow and then connect it to here. Now, starting down here, let's make an oval shape. We're going to bring this line out. We're going to curve this around and then come right to here. Then let's make a little line that goes up. We're going to bring this across and come down. Now, kind of lining up with the sides of the face, let's begin by drawing a line that goes up. We're going to curve this over and then down for the hat. We'll draw a line across, and then we'll make 2 lines here for the buckle. Next, right here, let's just draw 2 lines that come down here to kind of start as bow tie. Then we'll draw a line here and a line here. And let's make a little line on each side. Now right here, let's make a line that goes out. We're going to go down and bring this in. And same thing here. We're going to go out, down, and then bring this in. And then we'll just draw a little line down on each side. I'll draw an extra line on here, just for like the cuffs of a sleeve. Then let's make a little line that curves up on each end for the thumb. And then let's curve a line around here on each side for the hands. We'll keep the hands really simple. Now let's draw some fun little things around here. So let's make them holding a flag. So we're going to make a line that's going to come up here. We'll make a little circle on top. Then let's make a little wavy line like this. And then another wavy line like that. Let's draw a line to connect it. And then let's make 1 and 2 lines here. Now let's make a little horseshoe up here. So let's make a line here and a line here. Next we'll make a nice big U shape in here. Then we're going to make a line that goes down and in, and then down and in. And then let's curve this around for our horseshoe. Now let's make a little shamrock over here. We're going to make a line that's going to come up and down and then up and down. We'll do that same thing here, up and down, up and down. Next we're going to go down and up, and then down and up, down and up. And then we can make some little lines in here. Next, all around here, let's make some little oval shapes. So let's make like a bunch of little ovals. And we're going to put these all in like these little areas here, just to kind of fill up some space here. We're just going to make some little ovals around here. They can be going different directions. And we're just going to make lots of little ovals all around here. Put one more right here. And then that can be like little gold. And what I like to do is just to make like a little curved line kind of across the middle of here, or even on the sides too, if you want to make it look like it's at different angles. And then it kind of looks like we have a bunch of little gold coins kind of going all over the place. And there you go. There is your drawing of a St. Patrick's Day surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our nice little shamrock. And then when we open it, we can see we've got a fun little leprechaun popping out with some little extra details all around there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.